001 na nturaiga na Evans Areba omoroke mone gose coach we team ya White Hat FC team kogosori ime ya Division 2 kolende gwikira boniga egosori bagwatiri tukoria mambi ya nyale gusuki kumotu ne chitimu chinde chorongora gusiria cha Division 2 yoso chabo cyarira gusuki kumotu wake andake sobo tukanubure gati yabo esobora igosoboteneri wa FKF ne chitimu echo eseto gusaba no koyugwano kuya koboro gati chitimu linde chigosori chinyane kogenderera kulendo mwanje bali bona boniga egosori ya Arsenal ni gagenderete egosori timu ya Chelsea ni gagenderete nandi bakubori inki igore ya Manchester United yunturi kwa rese ngenjo ne bintu byelire egosori yelire ase Manchester United yarago ikorwe gore ya Masri na Liesagero ne timu ya Everton kwani kivuna mangana a top 4 UEFA Champions League na makomu wake ase timu ya Manchester United kolenda senko yo kende kionsi na boy konyara konyarekana kolona mwana mchomo lira se league ya Nyanza Regional League ndio yagendete ko bwata ese pote bigubune around yeye chitimu chinyinge sana chanyalire gwetoma kwena kivuna ngusuka chire motu wode chitimu chia kina kurunse na chichintindi mono chitindete sana engake chavo small Simba igo ndobeta korangi kiranyale kokorekana usingi kendeleta se league ya Regional League NCMU kone turana na ukwana mange naro na twende kusanganira kuri timu ya Ichuni FC ore ukwanda igore ya obotindi gose competitiveness era se league ya Regional League kuri se baliye ko to betaburonge chitimu chiri twende sema ya kabere studio tuwe ngana yaye
ase Regional League omayende tentabe league ye season ye league ye era nkonko bwana onye Ndizi 1 uisikori mono chitimu chirwete Kisii County uisikori timu ya Bravo Machoge uisikori timu ya Gucha combined uisikori timu ya Ichuni uisikori timu ya Small Simba ne kire timu ya Kisii County ne timu ngongusa and the league is very competitive kobwa last season again to tware ko saba management ya league ebe up to task e manage league ya buya achitimu anga jigo chikoba promoted next season chibe promoted on merit okarizo ko next season ye Regional League ye side ye kwa team chinyinge sana echinde chiachitero tometi na kichiachitera lakini chiko increase expense ke league lakini toko sabanga league ya rompiere and it's giving us a lot of time to deliver our potentials.
Akiva kwa rabuna league jo anda kitim kinge chanyagira gosoa mpaka pausungo soli kiva kwa ndane lengo tebune season nyara gweta time challenge anya ikomina ibere kolende boni ge chasukire mba Cameroon gevere kone kivuna kere team yatule chiko soli 16 chinde omanda away ngo kuna kike tirake okere ime ya Regional League kolende ngake yuto yara kwa Regional League litukolia mambi tobwate ko soli enkongu gatie team ya Small Simba kurense mweri ya South Mogirange irabege kokosori ne timu ya Ichuni Combined FC chitimu chire namba 2 na namba 3 asa gutena kwa ligi ya Regional League andake ochichina to kwandirete ina kivyali na timu na Ichuni FC bosibu ya kosori yeyu twende nsema ya kabere studio tugwengana yaye
bona iga Ichuni Combined ligi otore namba 2 tukisa twaka jagite ligi ya ndora itwa na nde buna Jumapili to bwade Small Simba dokumenti ko sense Small Simba to chikomera because Small Simba ndo anyomere tena wanyana se matoko open tournament to kabara kibuna bero ketaba nyenga tia Small Simba they should be small always igona ndem natota kwenda maro ko chikomera Small Simba I want to prepare them psychologically that they are going to face the champions of Kisii County and when we are going there we are not going ndurko ndoroto chiko point tari sato chipointo kwa ndoroni sato baro direka sto akore timu ya Gucha egacha koruma egacha kuikora iseta ya 90 ndo andabo bora machoke baka kuikora iseta ya 90 egakatota kwa Small Simba nduri chokora makosa ayo una toko babeke goli to baitira sobo nande bagoja ega to baite ndo we are very sure and I want to promise them wherever they are watching from nga to goja maro we are likani go baita tole buna Ichuni what combined tariko so to we togi we are preparing no na no we are ndo prepare and we are going to face them every game otoko nyera mune final if they to one Small Simba we will handle them amicably
ogura bwovole mu abatitiro chabatwara gusagwata nibe chiko soli ime ya timu enda yose kolende chitaika emerongo kianda asegeti njigotwara lichibuli omweli ndake obwamiri bwagatie timu ya Small Simba na Ichuni FC Small Simba ni timu ya Rwanire ko county league ya soire ime ya Regional League na Ichuni ro chamangana tamatoka bweke fero ndeba umiranete obwa irimbure gatiabu nakyo ratebigori agosoli ya mambi
aligereri confidence coach coach Ichuni. It is a good one, it's a positive thing because that confident. Like in when you approach any match, kugenda or ready for any eventuality. I think you can take it as a determine outcome game imambia na ibintu tokuruka the smaller details. The smaller details in kick when you have the ball in for the two teams. When they lose the ball, how do they respond? If any one of them relaxes on those small details, maybe you lose the ball, you by a goal. If you have the ball and maybe you have a goal scoring opportunity, you by you are very defended. So when you're game go and they draw or something like that. Well, think umanya maybe na boy story ire irore, o say story ire kwa fresh. Kera football na game ya possibility. Na boko ranga Ichuni, maybe their run has been a good one. Na small Simba na Barabo, maybe they are going into the match with that underdog mentality.
Na una mbaisato.
Yes. So nkogenda bale ase Ichuni bali baba itete matoke cup. So maybe they want to prove a point to them ngabono. Maybe you beat us actually away from home. Bono mwachirenka, we want to prove to you that when we are at home, we are different. I don't know. Nabora nyone factor ye fan nero. We told you about the 12th man. Anye fan ya small Simba. Karomondo very influential. Then nabora nyone reka go determine outcome. So I want to say anything can happen in that game tomorrow, and whatever outcome result irache is kuruabo both sides. She accepted and those who are stressed about the next match.
Chevuna botambe ni amatauna made the best team win asense me yuko nene usira 20 sana raro kyo gutena kwa regional league ningo kwenda ikuru ningo gusuka inse ningo koranda number 1 team ya umachoga nere tangane ningo konyerwanerera ochikonyeruania nseme yu nango tebune wasoli yalengerero wasoli gatie timu ya Gusii FC no chesa teli kire Gusii FC timu ya Gusii FC na Kisii Industrial nero ya nyarira kwa era sechaenda makali yogo tabekana yoko kwenda kivuna amangana na nteko kwa ngake awase regional league ne chitimu ngonya kurwana chire kusuka mutwase ligi yeyu kulda bangine meteba kwe boli anda kira kira tolio kwa ndrama ange igoro ya Shabana FC Gusii FC Fortune Sako chitimu cha NSL nyera buno mwancho muri buna weekend yeye etira somo timokomoke gesento wikira boniga chitimu chinyenga cha gosoli chabo ikomi na kianda 19 echuchire ime ya first leg bona bache tomo timokomoke igo bosi bogo chaka kwa second leg na nyera buna wikira boniga nige timu ya Shabana FC ere namba isatu aso tena kwa NSL yema igase weekend ya nyara gweta timu ya APS Bomet ya siri point ibere magayo kwenda makari timu ile kane buna Fortune Sako nere ga siri point ibere magayo kwenda makari timu chiregoro ya timu ya Shabana FC kurende timu ya Gusii FC nero yanete ko chigo linye ase egoli eyemo kone kibuna mwana tari ma ya mono ase timu ya Gusii FC ese teke ya manda kana nkiora tebe igoro ya obwa meri bwa NSL buna ikire bono ego chiko cha second league ne chitimu cheto cha Gusii.
Last time Karnalenga na tebete there were some changes in Shabana. Some of the players kwenye baso kila bagachiri back during the transfer window na coach Olenge standby akaba replaced akarwa Samuel Court the veteran. Today Karondega ndakete tebanga my word has come to be fulfilled because Shabana has continued to post good results now out of the I think it is 15 points. They are having 12 points. They have posted very good results. And I will repeat the same thing. A league is a very long marathon. Still second leg, 19 matches. When we calculate 19 times 3, it's 57 points in Chiro. 57 points here, you push Shabana to the Premier League without a playoff. Still, the 57 points is a sitting about tier numbers that the numbers to playoff was even lower than number 3, but I don't hope and I don't really expect that to happen. The same for our brothers Gusii, in as much as they are number 19 narrow with 18 points, I think. They have 57 points to look for. If they can reorganize themselves, I may not know very well in issues currently. But in the break here, we care more. Naboko nyora babekire their house in order. Bago chaka second leg. Nabara which point they chose 57. Was 50. Was 45. I am very sure if they get 40 points and above tibagukora number 19 na
wateravu iko kimege tiron keroro ase timu ya Gusii FC na ase timu ya Shabana FC kiraga nigwe 7 iga ndio kubona consistency kubwa kere wasori ya gocha ndio ndare gosuka mutu